In IronCAD 2022 Product Update 1, you can now add status information to your parts and assemblies. Simply go up to your filters in your scene browser, go to More Filters, and turn on Show Status. This will allow you to see the status of particular parts and assemblies if they're set. If they're not, simply right-click on any part or assembly, go to Status, and give it a status of Complete, In Progress, Incomplete, Not Started, or No Status. For example, we can set this one to Complete. We can select another assembly, set its status that we're working on that one, and we're particularly working on another part here that we want to say that's incomplete, and maybe this one's not yet started inside of here. So we can get a quick visual appearance using these icons to tell us which parts are completed or in progress in our design process. So a very handy tool, and if you'd like to turn that off, simply go back to your More Filters, turn off the status information, and that'll go away. Again, if you turn it back on, anything that's currently set will remain tied to the part and assemblies so that they quickly will show so you can get the status information.